Fix in 5. P0244. P0244 means your turbo's wastegate solenoid isn't responding correctly. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated. Verify with OBD2 scanner, read freeze frame, reduced engine power or limp mode activation. Verify with test drive under acceleration, abnormal turbocharger boost pressure, higher than normal. Verify with OBD2 live data, boost sensor PID, whistling or hissing noise from turbo area. Verify with auditory inspection during acceleration, difficulty accelerating under load. Verify with test drive. Now the most likely causes. Wastegate solenoid valve electrical fault, solenoid coil resistance typically 8 to 12 ohms, open or short circuit prevents energization. Wiring harness damage or loose connector, corrosion or poor contact at solenoid connector reduces signal voltage below 8V threshold. Vacuum line leakage or disconnection, loss of vacuum signal prevents wastegate actuator from responding to solenoid commands. Boost pressure sensor malfunction, faulty sensor readings cause ECM to send incorrect solenoid control signals. Here's how a pro pins it down. 1. Verify the code. 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. 3. Test the wastegate solenoid. 4. Evaluate vacuum lines. 5. Check ECM and related fuses. 6. Scan for other related codes. What does it cost? Roughly €85, €180 doing it yourself, or €205, €300 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace boost control solenoid valve. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Reconnect or replace vacuum lines. Update ECU firmware if applicable. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. People also ask, can I fix P0244 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0244 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0244. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.